In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draft and refine content with Copilot in your document. Let's start by opening Copilot. You can click the Copilot icon in the toolbar or along the left margin of your document. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Windows plus C or on some systems, Control plus I. As soon as you launch it, a Copilot pane will appear on the side of your document, ready for your input. In the pane, describe what you want to create. Be clear and specific to get the best results. For example, you might type, write an outline for a report on sustainable energy. If you have a particular voice or format in mind, you can guide Copilot by adding optional details. For instance, you could say, make it persuasive and brief, or use a professional tone with short paragraphs. These small instructions help Copilot tailor the output to your needs. When you're ready, click Generate. Copilot will insert draft text directly into your document, and it will appear highlighted so you can easily spot what was added. Take a moment to read through it. If it captures what you want, keep it. If it's close but not quite right, you can regenerate to see a different version. And if it's off track, discard it and try a revised prompt with clearer direction. Next, let's refine existing text. Highlight the paragraph or section you want to change. When you select it, you may see a small Copilot icon appear nearby. Click that icon to focus Copilot on your selection. In the pane, ask for the change you want, like summarize this, rewrite this to be more formal, or make it more concise. Copilot will provide an updated version based on your request. Review the refinement carefully. If you like it, accept the changes and move on. If you want alternatives, regenerate to explore different phrasings or levels of brevity. And if it doesn't fit your voice or purpose, discard it and try a new instruction. Iterating like this is normal. A clear request and a quick skim for accuracy go a long way. That's the workflow. Launch Copilot, describe what you need, generate a draft, and then refine by selecting text and prompting for targeted improvements. With a few well-placed instructions, you can move from a blank page to polished content faster and with more control over tone and clarity.